FlutterFlow's premium plans can cost up to $80 a month. That's almost $1,000 per year, but it's possible to get FlutterFlow Pro for free for an entire year. You don't even have to give Google your precious credit card details to do this, so give me 2 minutes and let me save you $1,000. FlutterFlow is probably the best low-code or no-code app development tool right now. With it, you'll be able to build apps for Android, iOS, and the web on a single code base using a clean visual editor. This way, you don't have to look at scary lines of code if you don't want to. Personally, I use FlutterFlow because it gives me the best of both worlds. It allows me to nerd out and look at the code base if I want to, or just stick to the visual editors for everything. It's like having an automatic car that lets you drive manual whenever you like to show off. If you want to be able to build apps for the Google Play Store and Apple App Store without experiencing seizures, let me show you how to get FlutterFlow Pro free for 1 year. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your student email. Then open another tab, go to flutterflow.io and click on Start for Free here. In here, you'll need to input your details to create an account. Please note that you need to use your student email here, not your personal email. This is very important for the verification process later. The Hotmail account you've had since grade 6 will not work here. Once your account is created, go ahead and verify your email. After completing the account creation and verifying your email, we can now start completing the application for the free Pro subscription. To apply for the free Pro FlutterFlow subscription, go to Google and search for FlutterFlow pricing and click on the first result. In here, click on education, then scroll down and you'll see apply for education pricing here. This will take you to a form you will need to use to apply for the free tier. In here, you just need to fill in your details. Another important thing to note is that you must use the exact name and student email you used to create your account. Once you filled out the form, it'll tell you to wait 14 days for verification. Please don't fill the form multiple times. They tell you not to do this. My subscription was activated and verified in 1 day, so it shouldn't take that long for you to be activated either. Like this video and subscribe for faster verification. I have a FlutterFlow playlist as well as a complete FlutterFlow course linked in the video description, so check those out to start building. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.